180 here. Just want to show you how to access the page builder from your website. So if this is the front end, I'm just going to use our classic church template as an example here. In another tab, I have the back end pulled up, which if you don't know how to do that, it's just your domain names /wp-admin. After you log in, you'll kind of be on the WordPress back end. Now, how do you get to the builder from here? There's two different ways you could do it. Probably the best way is actually go over here to the left and go to Pages. Once you go to Pages, you can hit All Pages or Add New if you're wanting to do that. You'll see all of your pages right here that are listed on your website. And you can go right here to the U-Theme Builder, and that will take you straight to the builder itself. And we're going to go ahead and do that on this page, on the About page here. Once it loads the page, you're going to be presented with the builder. And it's going to give you a general layout of this page. You'll see here that we have different sections, which is what these larger areas are called here. Just different sections, and some sections have different columns. This has different columns here, and basically I can go over here and I can see that, hey, there's a pencil here, different icons. This is to copy and to save into library or to delete. And if I wanted to edit this text right here, I just have to go over here to text, or I can go right here and click the pencil. Once I do that, it's going to open that text in a content box over here on the left, where I can feel free to add different things if I wanted to that, change that text entirely. And then once I'm done with that, it'll update here and show show the change over here on the right, but it's not actually saved yet. So you actually have to go up here and hit Save Page, and once you click Save Page, that little box will go away, and now your change will be reflected on the back end. So if we go over here to our site and then go to the About page, you'll see that the change that we made right there is reflected on the front page. Now let's say I made a change and I didn't want to save it. Well, if you made a change and you were just kind of looking and testing things out, that's totally what these page builders are made to do. So you can go through and play with it and have fun, and then ultimately don't hit save, just hit cancel. And if you hit cancel up there, it will revert back to the last time that it was saved. So it just enables you to be able to mess around with it, make changes, but then ultimately not be able to save those changes. So you can go back. Or if you made a mistake and you're not sure what you did, you can always hit cancel to kind of start over again. Now, once you're done with the builder and you've changed out some of the content that you want to change here, ultimately to get back, you'll hit the X up here, and that will take you back to the WordPress backend. So we'll hit that X, and here you are back in the WordPress backend. I hope that video was helpful. As always, please feel free to contact support up here if you have any more questions.